Last year in March, we created our recipe of chicken shawarma and we won first place in the Real Food for Kids show. We actually won the gold prize, which was like the highest one that any team could get.
Everybody absolutely loved the recipe, the taste, the smell. So it went around like wildfire very, very fast. So the students were very excited. November 1st through 3rd, 2017, Fairfax County Schools is debuting our recipe.
And every kid in the county will have an opportunity to taste it. Culture diversity is such a huge aspect of our lives, especially here at Lake Braddock, because there's so many different kids from all around the world. So we thought it'd be a good idea to do chicken shawarma because it has such a rich taste and blend that whoever tastes it, they just fall in love with it. I'm actually really happy because I think it's a really good thing for everyone to have a rich, a variety of cuisines to taste, So I think it'll be a really good thing and it'll probably open minds.
It's great to know that you have students that actually want to leave their mark when they leave school, and they actually can say, well, our recipe is on the menu, so we've done something right.